I welcome you again today. Will be the second day of December 2021. And you listen to me through GTV Nigeria. My name now Omo Ihaire. Okay, the program now waiting day and with the torchlight our Nigerian newspaper. Make we enter some newspaper sharply for the inside song. They tell us say killings. Southeast government declare war on Umpuru Miri. Wow. Killings. Southeast government declare war on Umpuru Miri. When I find out the full story from top of it, Sun will be the 2nd of December 2021. And the other one tell us now say Buhari departs Abuja to attend Expo 2020 for Dubai. Buhari don't go to Dubai. He said departs Abuja to attend Expo 2020 Dubai. He said over 190 countries. Now they attend this place where they go so, and the team say now to build a better future for everyone. And the team now be say they connecting minds. When you find out the full story from top of it, some newspaper. The next story they tell us say COVID-19 for COVID-19 matter, federal government confirms Omicron in Nigeria. Hey, now wow, on that one don't come again. I don't know where they take call this one name. Federal government confirms Omicron in Nigeria, bans unvaccinated workers. Those who do not vaccinate, don't ban them, they don't enter a particular place. So make you find out the place on top of a Sun newspaper. Okay, the ones see they go again. Why Buhari must sign amended electoral act? Why Buhari must sign amended electoral act? Who they talk now? The Rivers State governor wey na Yinsi Wike na introduce for inside the Sun. Find out why. You see the full story. We don't come up for Sun. We don't enter inside Punch newspaper. Today will be the 2nd of December 2021. For inside Punch, they tell us say 12 Bayelsa women arraigned for allegedly using juju to stop road construction. You know they're very funny, Abi. He said 12 Bayelsa women arraigned for allegedly using juju to stop road construction. The place, the way the women from come, that one community where they call Agobiri community. The full story is for inside Punch newspaper. Okay, when we enter the other story, they tell us say, Ooni hasn't wronged my family, says Omolara's father. Ooni hasn't wronged my family, says Omolara's father. Now the papa of Omolara wey name na Olatunbosun wey get pikin for the Ooni of Ife Obadeyeye Ogunwusi. Find out the full story for inside the Punch newspaper. The next one I tell us now say government bars unvaccinated civil servant military issues a directive. Hey, now wow. So if you not take the vaccine, you not go enter office. It's well. Now for federal secretariat, yesterday night the thing from happen. The next story for inside the Punch they tell us say for Omicron, that same vaccine where they wear say it be like COVID-19. Omicron, Canada bars Nigerians fear spread as NCDC records 3 cases. 3 persons don't catch up because they travel go South Africa. That are the story for inside this newspaper will be Punch. We don't come up for Punch when we enter into leadership newspaper. They tell us today. Customs impounds timber charcoal worth 7 billion naira from smugglers in Lagos. Customs impounds timber charcoal worth 7 billion naira from smugglers in Lagos. This one dey for inside leadership newspaper. The next story for leadership tell us now say Soludo 11 parties file petitions at Anambra Tribunal. Soludo 11 parties filed petitions at Anambra Tribunal. Why do they file the petition? We're gonna find out for inside leadership newspaper. Okay, we don't come up for there. We see them for that today for inside leadership. HIV/AIDS still a threat to public health. And so, HIV/AIDS still a threat to public health. Yes, they for inside the leadership newspaper. The next one now for inside leadership tell us say why bandits were declared terrorists. What do you mean they declared to be terrorists? Why bandits were declared terrorists? na Malami na dey talk the reason why we be the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice na Malam Abubakar Malami. Find out the full story for inside Leadership newspaper. Okay, we don come on Leadership, now we enter Wetin Nation newspaper. They tell us today will be the 2nd of December 2021. Why I want to be APC chairman by Turaki of Ilorin. Yes, na the man for that. Why I want to be APC chairman by Turaki of Ilorin. Find out why for inside Nation newspaper. Another story for Nation, they tell us say challenges APC should surmount before convention. Challenges APC should surmount before convention. What will be the challenges? We're gonna find out for inside Nation newspaper. Okay, see for that Omicron matter. Omicron travel bans discriminating unsanctified. Who they talk na Ramaphosa. He say Omicron travel bans discriminatory unsanctified. Now Ramaphosa says that is South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. Now so we'll do it today for newspaper. Make we enter entertainment. Get what entertainment news where I want bring to us today. You know that Ghanaian actress where name na Rosemary, where people know where as Aquapen Palo, where his son do birthday, 7-year birthday. Now sometime April last year, where she come naked. He say he can't slap the picture here and the pikin dem naked. He show a naked to his son say na this body na he take born the pikin. So no say they can't sentence am to 3 months jail for April last year. So the matter they don't put the file again. No, they don't put the file. The judge don't bring the matter again. They say they don't carry the actress go back to prison. They say make it be lesson for other people where they like to dey naked for social media. Anyhow, especially it common well for those our celebrities, our Hollywood actors and actresses. So they don't carry the girl go back to jail. So they say now 3 count charges. Now they say and you don't plead guilty. Na Ghanaian actress. Now she be. Now so we go do it today for entertainment news and for Nigerian newspaper. Throw on another day. My name now Omo. You can make you do good. It good make president do good. Because tomorrow it get belle. I'll see you now tomorrow. Una bye bye.